time naa pa may ana. So kanang, imong i-analyze ang structure or ang beam sa, in a plastic, level. So that means nga you reached into the yield point. Remember the curve, yung, stress strain curve sa material na first na linear na straight line and then it will go to the yield point and then magkaroon siya ng another curve na mag-reach siya into plastic level and then mag-strain hardening siya. So, elastoplastic muna akong subject karon class sa advanced steel structure sa Masteral. So, maisad kayo naka-review ko ana maka-share sad ko sa inyo a little bit about elastoplastic uh, uh, capability and this is I think in my experience I have used ETAB, SAP, Proco, it's Istaad, but I think I don't see that this elastoplastic capability. So maybe I don't know everything about those softwares, but uh, it is very clear sa ako ang robot maka-perform siya og plastic analysis. So this is the exercise is showing us. So adto sa proceed ta sa new again. Plain again. So this one I will save first ha. So asa naman ko so Dignos. So L3C no? So L3C. 3 so again gamiton na to ang para madali ta ah gamit tag grade line. So anyway grade line din ang gigamit niya so so time sa xtab to repeat and then 6. Okay, this time iyang gigamit kining 1, 2, 3 gyapon add and then adto sa Z. Okay, so isa-isahon na to no? So first 0 and then next 3.6 and then next is 6. Next is 7.2 add and then apply and close. So again saan so define sa ta. Again na-establish naman ang euro no. So wala ko'y 240 na ba ko'y 240 na. So wala pa ko'y 240. So akong inyo ba? And then euro na ko. So IPE 240 IPE and then 240 and then you add again IPE 300 na ano ba ko? Murag wala. IHCA malay ito ba? IHCA lagi na anak ko. Anak ko IHCA class 300 and then IHCA 240. IHCA wala. Okay, so HCA, and 240. Okay, add, close. Okay, now we are going to plot the model. First, uh, column. May kaya akong hands-on ron class bago akong mouse. Daot akong mouse gahapon ba. Bago na ni siya. Bagong hinulman. So make sure beam again automatic yan, still yan. And then section na to sa yung gamit ng section. Yung gigamit is yung dako. I think it's say 300 na. So it's say 300 and then sa itong figure na to. Okay. Mao ni karon. Mm. See, and then diri 3.6 and then diri okay. So beam naman. So I think ang iyang gamit sa beam is beam sa IPE ang gamit sa beam. So IP 240 and then plus dinira. Okay. And we add the truss. Okay. So the height mm, height is 1.2. So the L is 12 tab lang and then 1.2 and then number of panel. I think the number of panel is based in the figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. The next, so no distance between columns and trusses and the truss. So DCED. So top and bottom chord, DCED. So naano tayo euro, no? And then DCED 90 by 10. 90 by 10. Okay. And the same. So, standard yun na siya class ba? Kanang upper chord or top chord and the bottom chord pareha gina. Pero makita nimo class ang American terminology o European naagi difference. So they call this upper chord and they call this lower chord, but they are the same. So the same with what we uh, define. Again, euro, the CED, 90. Naku, ano ba? Oh, hmm, kinsa? No, sige na, i-text na lang ako. Message sila sa messenger, ha? Kaya na. Okay. So, sa ah, diagonals, usually sa ato, gi-breakdown pa nato na no, natay diagonal members and then natay vertical members. So, saya, diagonals na ya. Ana, so, pag may kag diagonals according to European, this is the diagonals kini. Ana siya. So, again, sa diagonals, ang iyang gigamit is kay. So, CAE 70 by 7. Okay. And sa usually di sa post, diri sa post, usually atong gamiton na pareha sa ah, lower chord o sa upper chord. So, mm, so siguro class ang inyong bago katong first man gud nato nga illustration, actual man 'to. So siguro para maka-save mo og time, i-set up sa ninyo, i-reset up ninyo into Eurocode lang sa para lesson 1 to 12. So as I go along, na-realize na ko nga naka-fix man day siya sa Eurocode. So pwede niyong i-reset up for this specific purpose. So, so kay siya and then 70 by 7 and then okay. So next, so insertion points, asa na to siya insert sa taas. So click lang na to dire and then so make sure para ah, careful lang ta kay usahay naay gamay nga 0.00 diya mag-error ang imong model and then pag ingana nga error perting lisura kayo class, lisod kayo i-trace correct. So, a little bit careful lang before you click the mouse. Make sure nga ang coordinate dito mag-coincide, ha? So, dinhi, X is 0, Y 0, and Z is 6. So, correct? And then next. So, okay na. Apply na na to. Then, okay. So, what is missing is the support. So, atong butang support, ha? Always finish the model. So, butang itong support. Okay, so now we are going to define the what they call them auxiliary node. So this auxiliary node will be used in our plastic analysis. Actually, this lesson is first performing elastic analysis. So if you say about elastic analysis, you are talking about moment distribution, theory of structure. So those are elastic analysis and obeys Hooke's law. So you know Hooke's law, that is the stress is directly proportional to the strain. So that's why we have the modulus of elasticity E to be used in our theory of structure. And then, but if you go to the plastic analysis, so that theory of structure now that we learn in undergrad, So will not be used anymore unless we do some shape factor. We convert it into a plastic moment using a shape factor of every section. So these auxiliary node will be used in our plastic analysis. So elastoplastic or plastic analysis, pareha na class. Isa lang na siya. So, okay, so auxiliary node, division field. So, atong i-click ni siya. Asa man siya. So, edit menu, divide, and, kini. And then edit. So, edit. Murag na mo po edit diri. Pwede po diri, no? And then, move or copy. So, of course, mag-create ta og node. So, 0 ang X. And then 3.6 ang Z. Kay sa column man ta. And then execute. So, makita nimo natay auxiliary node na create. Dali, sorry class. Ah, Ngayon ko lang tulog class. Oy, damgo mo ko. Damgo ko class. Niliday. Division field. Yan sa class, mas dali. And distance. So, pwede i-parts, no? I-divide nimo ang column into 10 parts. So, type nimo parts and then 10 dire, automatic mag-divide siya. So, ato distance lang, mag-create lang ta usa ka node lang or plastic analysis. So, graduate ninyo, mag-take masteral para ah, ma-enhance ang inyong knowledge. So, 3.6. Ingon dire, generate node without member age division. So, kung dili nimo nag-i-click class, ang column i-divide niya into 2 section. Okay? Okay, let me show you. So, naduha na siya. Naduha na, gi-divide man nimo. But we don't do that because what we need is just the whole beam. Buang na noon. Okay. So what we don't need those division. What we need is the whole beam and applied with an uh, lateral load to for that beam to be analyzed into a plastic analysis. So actually sample lang kini lang sampulan lang niya. The software is just trying out. The manual is just trying to say na the software also can perform plastic analysis, and this is the sample, and that sample is only for this column. So again, we go to the edit, divide, and distance 3.6, and generate nodes without member or age division. That means hindi na to i-divide ang column. Close. So makita nimo na ay red diha and with the same beam hole pero naa nay red. So let us see. Ayun, na-create na siya. Node 19. Anyway, later on na unya 'pag mag-perform ta og plastic analysis. Okay, so bracket sa ta class. Ang usa nga akong ganahan aning, robot maka-create ta og automatic nga bracket, which I don't see that sa other software nga akong gigamit. So now, bracket definition ta. So geometry, define sa nato, geometry and additional attributes. So additional attributes and bracket. And then select this one, point 1 by 1. And then move to the graphical viewer. So makita nimo ang bracket na diri. And beam number 4. So this one. So start sa beginning sa beam and then end sa beam. So that creates a bracket connecting the beam and the column. And we can close that one. Save. Support humana na. So geometrical imperfection. So geometry uli, definition of geometrical imperfection. So geometry and additional again attributes and geometrical imperfection. So that means na if something happen, so it kung ma-hit siya ng sakyanan or maybe misalign siya. So and then ano naman ko. So pwede kang mag-click ng new and then type nimo diri select which new type of joint friction in the level field enter during assembly. So I can type during assembly. During assembly, so underscore. That means usa ka word siya. Okay. And then next, switch to automatic option. So automatic. So user defined wala na. Automatic na ta. Switch on gyapon no. Switch off automatic option. And then switch on user defined. So naa naman ko diha. And then switch on the absolute option. Enter value 5 cm. So that's correct, huh? So 5 cm is 50 mm. And then add close. Add the geometrical imperfection given already exist, of course. Do you want to modify? So kung wala ka pa ma-exist, di pa nimo gawas. So since ako na himo na nako ni, so close na lang ta. And then close. Okay, so dirita. Auto sa ta. Okay, so right click in the field with the list of defined attributes and select the default imperfection type automatics. Okay na? So again, napunta sa geometrical attributes. So auto and then move the graphic viewer indicate to bar number 1. So again, this one. Okay, and then LMC on the field the list defined we select defined imperfection during assembly again kana man day gyapon sa klase. Ato sa nang i-apply ha. So i-apply sa nato ang kwan. And then I think kini yata class ang next during assembly. Okay, so siyempre sa trust pag assemble nimo magkaroon ng mga imperfection di mo gina perfect di ba? I-weld nila, i-bolt nila and then usahay kung kaya ilip sa crane, so ilip sa crane. So mao na siya. Dinhi na ta during assembly. Okay, and then apply ta. So makita nimo ang sign and then we close. Okay. Then load na din ta. So pag abot nimo sa load, di na kayo ta problema no. So again, okay, you button the normal one, always did load, and then we have the live load. Okay, so close, apply. So LL1 sa ta, LL1, wala na rin LL2. Okay, seems that sa did load, aside from the self weight, napatay uniform did load. And that's correct, you know. So any load nga atong ma-define aside from the self weight is the superimposed dead load. And that's true because if you imagine the building na say finishing and then delay the tiles. So everything on top of the structural slab is a superimposed dead load. So go to member sa nasa DL1 ta, go to member and PV. Again, that is parallel to the global z-axis. So PZ is -3. Okay, make sure nga sa X, 0 diha, 3, then you add. I think this is the beam and apply. Okay, then we proceed to LL2, LL1, and then point load. So nodal load or point load. So, and then X is 10 and Z -100 kilonewton. Okay, add and close. Why should I close it? Okay, so remember nasa LL1 ka pa, i-check na to kung naa pang value, naa pa na siya, no? Unless i-change nimo na agi na siya. So what we do, 6 daw. Node 6 and 7. Class ha. Kay ang node 6 niya is different. So it's talking about this one. Kani nga node. So, check na 'to ang inspector, Node 7, wala man masilig ang 4, kay wa ko mag-control class. Hmm, actually puwede man gud diri 4/7 type nimo, wala na sad. 4/7 ana na lang class, mas dali. Dos eh, yung nodal, road, mhm, road symbol, distributor, um, where is the load here? So, wala ma-apply, throw na 'to class, node, apply. Okay, so save, and then snow, di na sa ta say snow. Okay, so loads menu again, again. So again, always auto, first step, and then the kung naay parapet, so usually walay parapet pag ingon ani. Ang, parapet 'pag natay roof deck 'no? So 'pag roof deck nay parapet, kay mahulog ang tao. So wala man tay parapet. So total depth 36, and then parameters again. So again and again, balik siya sa AC. Ngano man class, everytime mag-new ta mobalik man ka sa American kay mo may gi-set up nato para dili ka magbalik-balik ani nga issue, i-set up lang sa euro. So, close. Okay, balik na sad ta, job preference, dealer, what is this? Basta to ang gamit ganin, kiniklas? Asa na ginto, kiniklas ba?
Kana sir. Sir.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, aton lang ni i-save current, Okay, so we can move on now with our, life. Um, I think okay na na siya, tama ba? Wala na. Pero I think okay na na siya class, nakuha na na siya. So, civil department na sad ta ni, civil department, so ganito, Alpis, maritime, and, Generate generate man dayon siya. Wala na yung kuan, daghang istorya. Gusto niya mag-generate na dayon. So, generate, close. So, okay, naa na siya. Nag-generate na. Okay. So, save. So, again, at up to this moment, so wala na kay problemahon. It's all about software na dayon. So, automatic code combination. So, again, as I said, we designed the structure using load combination. And this time, naa na sa lesson 3 ang available na ang load combination. So, loads menu, we go to loads, automatic combinations, and different combination na adi tanan. And then, use en. Yung problema din, asan mo gawas? Balik ni sa tani class. So, loads na naman. So, EN 1990, EN 1990, 2002. Okay, so doon na siya. Dali na lang ta. Ano? Kanan na lang. Bayaran na. And set as current. O karon din na ginato na palusuto na. Ato na ginang send default. Okay, we go to loads again. Full combination. So kung unsay makita nimo nga load combination dito sa Eurocode, same concept gyapon sa American, sa NECP. Pareha lang. So automatic and then more. No problem, ingon lang niya nga giusab na nimo karon from American to Euro. And then on the combination tab, switch off. Kini mo na daghang kayo class. Imagine nimo daghang kay ning combination. So wala pa man tay earthquake. Ato lang sana anong mga ECC. So kabalo mo sa ECC. So air conditioning center, ECC. So FEU, kabalo mo sa FEU. Far Eastern University. Asa mang FEU ano? Wala may FEU. Fire yata. Alam ko fire na siya. So again, makita nimo ang slight difference sa so now you are confined purely on the ULS, that is the strength design, and the SLS is used for the deflection or may stability. So any serviceability, service analysis, and generate. Oh, mana? Okay, mana man, generate naman ka. So, analysis na dahil class. Maman kita ni class before 12. May na lang. Pero kung magsige na ka og hands-on, dali na lang ka ni class. Pero akong, kay siyempre, pila na ka tuig. The last time na nagamit ko og robot sa Qatar, that was 2015. Ang sa nakaron, mag 10 years na. Lagi na, dili, bisag ganig software nga master gig kay ko. I design more than hundreds structure, maybe not hundreds maybe 500s Pero malimot pa gyapon ko. Nag-i-struggle pa gyapon ko. So, normal lagi na siya. So, human naman ta sa ah, ah, then ano na rin ta, structural analysis, result verification. So, giagian na nato na class na ganina. So, same. Nira ka diri. So, magbalik-balik lang ta ana class kanang design. So ato lang sanang i-leave karon, mag-move sa ta sa elastoplastic. So amo nay bag-o sa ato. So 3.3 sa page 43 sa atong manual, the elastoplastic analysis or nothing more than plastic analysis. Okay? So loads me no. So again, as of now class, naka-elastic analysis ta ha. So naka-elastic analysis ta. So don't forget, imong i-save as ha. Save as nimo. Kay mo analyze sa structure into plastic analysis. So kuhaan gyud nato ng load sa elastic. Kuhaan nato. So akong gihimo ana, akong gi-save as. Para di mawala ning elastic analysis nato, save as nato. So makita nimo na ako'y part 2 no, sa akong hands-on. So ato diha na po tay part 2. So part 2, ano, and now kanta na class ba? Now the end is near, ano, I did it my way, di ba? Pag may kaniyang bahog-bahog pag class ba, I did it my way, bahog-bahog ba, taas kayang way di ba? Pagkahuman gipusil, patay. Hinamdum mo class sa 'tong mga uso pa 'tong karaoke, bata pa siguro mo ba? Sa panahon ni Duterte giwala naman 'tong karaoke. 'Tong una bisag asa karenderya, pagkagabi, uy daghan na kayong mga lights di oh. Colorful na kayo, nahimo naman day karaoke bar. Bubog na kayo class, gipusil kay maiwi ko no ba. So delete sa nato class ha. So loads menu, uy asa man ko? Ba't naka-click. Sunod sa ta class and then load types. And we delete everything. Limpyuhon nato and close. Now we going to loads menu again and load definition. And this node. So kuan siya ha. Amazing ha. So supposed to be pag-save as nimo mawala ang analysis. Naka naka-ano na siya, naka-inactive na siya. So, kasi close load definition and select nodal loads. Di man siya mag-define kung dili ta mag-add. What did I do class ha? Ay, save naman ako na ba? That's not exist kuno. Does not exist kuno class. File ato sang okay, na ako ma-exit. Kasi kung i-open ako otro ang software, naka-online ko baka mamaya mag-block na akong robot. So bantay gid ta ha. So DL1 lang yang gamit class, naa man day. So na mo lagi na muna ako mag-ruler ko kay kuan nako class. Okay, so and then new renta and then DL1 day class. Dili available ang icon, eh, 'pag wala ka i-define. So DL1 close, then mag-define na renta. Oh, active na dayon siya. Eh, gani na dili active, eh, di man na mag-active 'pag di ta mag-define. So muna makita nimo nalay usa ka kuan diri rectangle mabian nimo malibog na din ka. So isa-isa muna ako ga-roller ko kay mawala ko. And then nodal force and then, x is 120. Mhm. So that is the equivalent, lateral accidental load. Say 0. So 120 is 0 and now we are going to apply. So makita nimo usa ra ka node ang na-select. So ang inspector importante gyapon na especially you are dealing with large, structure or large model, at least, magstorya siya nga usa ra imo na, select nga node, then apply. So makita nato ang load, then you close. You save. Now we perform the structural analysis. Okay, so we unya na na analysis class, di na ta baguan na dinito sa change bar section. So change bar section, puwede man dahi pa-structure analysis nato, bahala na ko bay. Alam ko ang section ani, ah, ang section ani baguhon na 'to. Okay, we'll perform analysis first. So of course, unstable siya because 6 meter long, magkaroon ng problem sa instability na. But yeah, it doesn't mean na naay message, sayop ka. So kasi wala may error ang number of warnings raman na class. Para bang murag nasamad kang alay or nastinay na. So nag-a-analyze na siya and then atong i-change gina siya. So select, bar, section and then asa naman, okay. So katong ITSEA na definition nato sa beam ba 'to or, column? So elements of, ITSEA, so kini siya 240 or and then U. So, ah, ITSEA 240 na siya. So, kanya lang you have to click this one para nasa elastoplastic or plastic analysis siya. So, add nimo. I think ang 300, 240 I think ang unsa may gamit nato sa atong say gamit nato. Let's say 300. So both column, both column and beam. Kining truss based on the load dili na siya wala na effect na sa plastic analysis ano, because the load is here. So ganun din ang HSEA 300 no, atong hmm. So HSEA 300 and then double new, so and then elastoplastic add this. So so external columns, so for HSEA 300 dapat no. So sayop ang manual kasi ang 240 ang beam. Ay hindi, ang 240 is IPA, sorry class. Wala na. So atong i-assign ultra ha. Assign na to ultra. Kining HCA 300 EP. That means elastoplastic. So okay, column. Okay, and then apply. Mm. Atong i-check. Right click, and then object properties. So, okay na-update na siya. Let's say 300 dp. Close that one. Okay. Ang IPA, mali ko class IPA di ay. So, IPE, where are you? This one, for the beam. And add, yes. And now this IPA 240 EP created and assign here, apply. Close, right click. Okay. IPA 240 EP. EP stands for the elastoplastic. So, wala na no, duha ka column, usa ka beam, and analyze. Run calculation. Now we are ah nakita nimo ang difference yung unang analysis wala pa nato elastoplastic ni nga section kining at saka kini elastic pa 'to. So if you put the section nga naay EP, so that means you are telling the software na perform plastic analysis for this column and for this column and for this beam. Kung dugangan pa gyud nato ni pwede. Okay? So ang plastic analysis is using the hints by hints. There are many method of plastic analysis. So we have the hints by hints analysis. So that means you find the collapse mechanism and all the things. So sa atong sa masteral ah, sa atong advanced steel dito nato na. So muna akong subject karon sa masteral. So in that case, we are only asking for the plastic analysis of this column, beam, and this column only. And we can perform the uh, so dynamic nonlinear wala pa man tana. So of course mag-instability gina siya because unsupported Oo. Automatic mo create mo notice gid siya nga unstable ang column because you analyze it into plastic and then taas kayong column 6 meter. Hmm. So and then it's loaded with that thrust of 12 meter. That's heavy. But again, there's no errors, only warning. So itong tanaw ng load diagram. So we'll see the bending moment. MY and apply. So makita nimo ang bending moment sa ani nga column. Okay? Due to this load. So manotice nimo there's the bending moment here. No? So gi-consider niya nga um, naa ba tay kuan. Sige lang, we'll discuss that later on sa mga ingana nga mga cases. So this is the one. Okay, and then again, displacement. So tanaw na to ang iyang displacement, result, diagram. Ato sa nang kuwaon ha. Dili na mawala pag di na to kuwaon. When we go to displacement, where is the diagram? Walang diagram. So where is the displacement? Deformation. So nodal displacement. So if we talk about displacement, nodal displacement, more or less it is in the global coordinate system. So if you notice, the x-axis is along the section. Okay, so the local x-axis is parallel to the length of the section, while the global is here. So if I said UX, that is global. It's not UX nga displacement aning or compression or tension deformation sa column, but I'm talking about the nodal displacement global. So if I want UX, so and if I apply, so this is the displacement diagram, the global displacement diagram, and the elastoplastic analysis. So, so kung mawala na, ato ginang i-click ha, and apply again. So, then, save na to. So, mahinta mo proceed og 4 pero di na gid kaya, sige lang. But anyway, sa Monday, so you will be submitting your L1 and L2. And I think ang atong time is sa schedule na to sa Monday. Time Monday, section C 1:30 to 3, no? Yes, question?
Um, good morning, sir. Sa
Good morning.
pagpasa namo, sir, unsa siya nga file? File siya, sir, or kanang hard copy na mga i-print, sir?
No. Ah, ah, waday mo maka-idea pa sa uban na section. Ang submission na to, kinsa man say, ah, I want to see your face ha, kasi online face to face ta. So, ako sa nang kwan, stop sa na ako presenting. Okay, kinsay nangutana?
Ako, sir.
Asa?